Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ring10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Tata Metalics. Tata Metalics, this is the monthly technical chart of Tata Metalics, and this is the historical price chart. Each candle here represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators that are deployed, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, since February 2016 onwards, this stock started moving in the upward direction. It is very clear, and every time it is making a new high, and after that it is undergoing a consolidation phase. And right now, this after making two new highs, the stock is still extending its upward journey. It's very good. And the small candle here represents this month, November month. The stock has given nearly some 20 rupees benefit to its investors so far. It's okay. In 2017, since 2017 January 313 and 827. Actually, in January 2017, the stock was trading at 323, and today it is trading at 827. Okay, you can you can find the difference, right? 500 rupees approximately, and per share, 500 rupees per share to its investors. That is the benefit that the stock has given to its investors. Okay, so that is the potential of the stock too. And the price path pattern is quite transparent, quite clear and consistent. It's very good, and we can rely on this. And the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode, which is very good. And relative strength of the stock is quite high, and it is already making a nice slope on top of the 8 line. Very good. Direction strength of the stock is okay. The positive and negative direction lines are, the positive line is on top of a negative direction line. That's okay, and they are making a huge space between them. They are diverging actually. Good. Stochastics, the trend is in sync with what is happening here, and the positive line, the first line is on top of the slow line, and both lines are near to the near the 80 line, which is very good, and both lines are diverging. That is another good. Price volume change is more or less constant from this point, from March 2017 onwards, and the balance of power is playing on top of the baseline. It's okay, but momentum is playing on top of the baseline. It's okay, and but it is very low. Balance of power and LRA both are in sync, and both are telling us that the stock is in a bullish phase. Okay, Kopak curve is in the buy zone, but it is going to make a slight curve. But if this curve happens, and if the curve moves in upward direction here, then definitely we can expect a huge price in the stock. Huge price rise in the stock, and along with other indicators. We need other indicators also. The support of other indicators too. But along with that, Kopak curve shows us the signal that everything is okay to move the stock in the upward direction or not. So that is the reason why I'm saying that if the Kopak curve in the buy zone itself, if it makes a curve towards an upward direction instead of going down, if it goes upward the curve, then we can expect something. But anyway, right now the momentum is down, and maybe because of that the stock is a little bit sluggish in its pace of growth. But still, good fundamentals, good this thing. Good brand, and right now technically also 80%. The stock is in a strong a strong position. So looking at all these things, I feel like the stock can be considered for long-term investment as per me. So okay guys, that is the conclusion. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.